Hi guys, we are officially frost-free here in southern Ohio, so today I'm going to be planting out some warm weather vegetables. In this video, I'm just going to be planting out some container veggies like some tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. We're going to start with the tomatoes. These are the only tomatoes that I'm growing in containers this year. The variety is Tiny Tim. They are a small determinate dwarf variety that matures early. I'm hoping that I'll get some early tomatoes with this variety and that'll help tide me over till my late tomatoes kick in. I'm using a very large pot and these are dwarf tomatoes. They only get about 12 inches tall, so I'm going to put 4 plants in this one pot. For the most part, anything that I grow in pots, I usually put in a really big pot because I'm pretty lazy about watering. The larger pots dry out slower than the smaller pots. Mulching also helps with that, and I'm going to be mulching these tomatoes with some dried leaves from my garden. Next, we're planting some eggplants. This variety is called Shooting Stars. I usually grow my eggplants in the ground. The first time I grew eggplants a long time ago, I had so much success growing them. But every year after that, I haven't been so successful. I've had a lot of issues with flea beetles eating the leaves of my eggplants and also potato beetle larvae. Next, I'm planting peppers. I have enough room for 6 pepper plants. The rest of them will have to go in the ground. I have had so much more success growing peppers in pots than I've had growing them in the ground. I'm putting 3 peppers to a pot. And again, these are really big pots, so they have plenty of room here. In the first pot, I'm planting 3 Jimmy Nardello peppers. I've already got peppers growing on a couple of these plants. Usually at this point, if I have peppers, I will remove the peppers and the flowers so that the plant can concentrate its energy on producing new foliage and growing the roots, but I'm just going to leave the pepper on here. In the second pot, I'm planting Beaver Dam, banana pepper, and coral bell. Hopefully this weekend I'm going to get the rest of my in-ground garden planted out, at least most of it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm going to show you an update on some of this stuff I have growing right now at the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.